Hey beautiful people, it's Rickita and I'm back with another video. So in this video, I want to talk to you guys about self. So I talked to you guys previously about self. I talked to you guys and told you guys how my credit score went up 155 points. And that's from when I seen it previously. Like I looked again, they say 168 points total. It went up since being with self. But don't forget too, it's not just totally self, it's self plus the other things I just been doing to increase my credit score. But I love to tell people that self is a great option if you're looking to build your credit, especially if you had like a bankruptcy before, foreclosure, you had a lot of collections, a lot of, charge offs. Then self is a great way to start building your credit because they are going to report an installment account on your credit report, which I tell people to have too. And then they also could report their secure credit card. And then there's no credit check to get this credit card. So if you guys tried to get a secure credit card in the past, they're not approving you, then self is a great option for you. Now, there's a lot of questions here that I want to answer about self. I found these questions and I just want to go through them just in case you guys are not familiar with self. And I'm also going to show you guys how to actually sign up for self if you guys are interested. So, actually, let's go ahead and kind of do that sign up process now. Um, let's just get it out the way. I'm already signed in now, so let me go ahead and show you that process. Now, when you guys are looking to sign up for self, here is their website here. So you guys would definitely go to their website. Again, they have different accounts you guys can sign up for. They have their installment accounts here. Let me actually change the screen so you guys can see it all. So they have their installment accounts here, four different ones you guys can get. After you guys have $100 in your account, because you have to save, we'll go into details on that. If you have guys have $100 in your account saved, then you guys can get that secure Visa credit card. So then you're going to have two accounts reporting to the credit bureaus. Now, this is going to be their monthly installment account. To even get that secure credit card, you have to get one of these accounts here. So here's your options. You guys can pay $25 per month, $35 per month, $48 per month, or $150 per month. I like to do the $48 per month. I haven't did any since last year. That was my last time paying it off last year. I haven't started another one up. I don't want another account added to my credit reports. I know it's going to drop my credit score. I don't have time for that right now, you guys. I have different things I'm trying to apply for right now. So I don't want to apply for another account. But if you guys were to sign up for their account, then keep this in mind. It really depends on, you know, how long you guys are going to be paying, how long you want them to report. The longer, the better. So if you guys could, um, consistently pay on this account for 24 months, then that can be good for you guys. The $25 account right here will be good for you guys. And then the $35 account right here would be good for you guys. Now with me, I just knew that I don't know, sometimes I just don't feel like I'm always consistent with things. So I just didn't want to mess it up. So I was like, let me do $48. And I just stuck with that. And that was with me paying on it for a year. So I had to pay $48 for a year. Every month they reported to the credit bureaus, which increased my credit score. So that's all I was worried about. Some people that really want to get like higher loans, higher amount in loans. So if you want to get like a limit or something like that on credit cards, you want to make sure that you start your profile out strong. Then some people go ahead and do it $150 per month. But right now, I'm battling with some of my clients trying to remove these late payments with self. So I always tell people get what you can pay for affordably because don't forget you got to pay this every month. And you're not going to see this money until a year if you get these two, or 2 years if you get these two. Now, yes, there is going to be fees with self. The fee to sign up or to start is going to be $9. And then the final cost is here, how much you're eventually going to end up paying for all of these. But to me, think about it like this. You guys only really want to get these accounts so that they can report to the credit bureaus. Like you just want them to report to the credit bureaus. That's all you guys care about. You want them to report to the credit bureaus so that your credit score can go up. You don't care, about, oh, what's this, what's that. Like to me, it was just to get your credit score to go up. Because after your credit score start going up, like a month or two or even 3 months of this, you can get their secure credit card and then you can go on and get other credit cards because now your credit score went up. That's all you care about. So just keep that in mind when you guys think about, the fees and things like that. So eventually I paid $46 in fees, but shoot, I told you guys 168 points. I'm with it. I like that. So definitely choose which plan that you guys want to go ahead and sign up for. Once you do that, then you guys can go ahead and click apply, and then they should be asking, I believe, to go through like your details. Now I logged out and probably sitting here inactive too, made it so that I logged out, but that's what you guys will see. You guys will be able to choose which plan that you guys actually want, and then you guys can go from there and sign up for that plan. Now let's go through all these questions because it's a lot of them. It's a lot of them. Some of the questions is like yes, no, basic questions, and then some of them just more detailed. So let's go through some of the questions. Is self credit builder legit? I believe Self Credit Builder is legit. My credit scores personally went up 168 points since being with them. It wasn't totally just self, it was multiple things, but I think that they are legit. They I paid into the self account. I got my money back. They reported to all three credit bureaus. They're totally legit, if you ask me. Now, people always wonder if these different accounts are legit, but my thing is are they reporting to the credit bureau? Are will they give me my money back as I'm paying into them? Will I be getting my money back? That's another thing I want to know. And is my information being, sold, or is something happening with my information? I didn't have any of that personally when I had self, so I think that they are legit, and you guys can definitely sign up for it. Is a self credit builder worth it? Self credit builder can be worth it if you have a very low credit score when you start now. If you have a very high credit score, you shouldn't even be thinking about like self. But if your credit score is low, it can definitely be worth it. What I suggest is go ahead and sign up for their installment account. If your credit score is very, very low and you don't have any credit cards at all, then look into signing up for their secure credit cards, because you can get that secure credit card without a credit check at all. And then that way you'll have two accounts reporting to the credit bureaus. Now, worth it, again, it really is going to depend on your credit score. I say if your credit score is under a 620, definitely go ahead and sign up for it, and you should be able to see a boost in your credit score. And it's only going to be worth it too if you guys don't have late payments, like in terms of you're not going to have late payments on this account. If you guys are going to get this account and pay on it like you need to pay on it, then it's definitely going to be worth it. But if you guys are not going to be doing that, then it's possibly not going to be good for you, because they're going to report you late, and they're not trying to remove late payments. You guys, they're like kickoff, they're not playing. These accounts are there to start boosting your credit score, but if you guys are not paying, then they're going to report you late, and they're not going to try to remove it. Like, they're not going to play about that. Let's see, is self credit builder good? I believe that the self credit builder is good, but again, it depends on your credit score. If your credit score is under a 620, then I think that this would be a great account for you. If your credit score is over a 620, then it's not a good account for you, but it is good in general. Now, good, like I said too, if your credit score is higher, don't even be thinking about self. Like, I don't even think you should watch this video. I don't even think you should worry about self. You should be worried about other credit card companies out there, other loans out there. You might as well just go get a regular personal loan and just pay it back. It'd be like, to me, very similar to what self is looking to do. But it is a good account, and I really do like it. Is self credit builder accurate? I believe that the self credit builder account is accurate. A lot of times, too, some people are getting late payments because they're not paying and they're reporting late, but they are accurate, you guys. If you guys are not paying on time with this, they're going to report you late if you guys are more than 30 days late. I think that they are very accurate, and I believe that they're going to definitely help you boost your credit score if you guys are paying on time. Now, what I don't think is totally accurate is their credit score. Sometimes you guys see a credit score there. Don't always take that credit score seriously, but it can be a credit score that you guys could go based off of, just to see where you guys are kind of at. Think of it at like a Credit Karma credit score. Now, this question can mean different things when it comes down to accuracy. Like I said too, you want to get a credit score when you guys log into your self account. That credit score could be lower than I mean, not lower, that credit score could actually be higher than your FICO credit score. But I always tell people just use that credit score just to see if that credit score go up. Because if that credit score go up, then you can kind of think your FICO score is going up. And accuracy in terms of those late payments, if you guys are getting late payments with them, they want to report you guys late. Try to make sure you guys have your account set up on auto pay and you guys are paying it, period. Like just have that as something that you guys do. What is a self credit builder? The self credit builder is a secure installment account where you guys are going to be paying $25 to $150 per month. You can choose, it's four different options. You're going to be paying that per month, and they're going to report it to the credit bureau for about 12 months to 24 months. Again, you have the option to pick 12 months between 12 months and 24 months. And as they report to the credit bureaus, your credit score should go up. Now, the thing is, a lot of people can't just get installment accounts. And I always tell people try to have at least two installment accounts in your credit report. So the self credit builder account is there just to help you get an account reported to the credit bureau so that your credit score can go up, because your credit score is just so low that you can't get a regular personal loan, maybe a car payment, some student loans to naturally boost your credit score. Now, let me show you again this just in case you guys haven't seen it. This is their accounts right here. This is their credit builder account. Like I told you guys have the option. You got $25 all the way up to $150 that you guys can pay. And the number of months is going to depend on what's your payment option. So if you guys do $25 or $35 per month, you guys are going to be paying on that for 24 months. And that's not a bad thing. That's a really good thing. You want to be able to pay on these accounts for a long period of time, because that means that they're going to continue to report to the credit bureaus for a long period of time. If you guys choose the $48 or $150, then you're going to be paying on that for 12 months. Now, I know you wonder, okay, what are we paying $48 for? What are we paying $25 for? As you guys pay on these accounts, you guys are going to get money back. So if you guys pay, this is my favorite one, of $48 per month, because I pay it for 12 months, just in case financials get rocky. I just know I don't have that long. I have to pay it. I don't have to worry about a late payment or anything happen with this account. But for that $48 account, you pay on that 12 months, $48. You're going to get $539 back. I have direct deposit set up. I think you guys should have that set up too, instead of waiting on the check, because they say it can take up to 3 weeks to get your check back. With the direct deposit, that money come right back in your account. But you're going to get $539 back. You're going to pay a $9 fee when you first sign up. Like when you sign up for the self, now you don't pay that $48 or the $25 now, whatever you choose. You only pay $9, and then they later on take out your first payment. So you're going to pay that $9 administrative fee. Then you're going to pay a total of $576. That's your total payments after you pay $48 per month. They're going to give you $539 back, and then your final cost is going to be $46. The key thing about this, you guys, is that they're going to report to all three credit bureaus. That's what you guys should be thinking about. But this is the actual credit builder account here. So this is actually what the credit builder account looked like. Now, everybody's situation is different, you guys. Everybody, you have to think about, what's best for you. But, I always tell people, if your credit score is under a 620, definitely go ahead and look into getting this account, because it can possibly really help you boost your credit score up. So I wanted to look at something on self really quickly, you guys. So 1 second. Let me see. I want to look at their terms, you guys. Because some people, you have to understand, like, this account is just to help you boost your credit score. That's what I'm thinking about with this account. Okay, so let me remove this and let's go to our next question. Where is self credit builder located? Self Credit Builder is actually located in Texas. So that is exactly where they are located. Now, let me go ahead and share my screen because I actually did a quick Google search to look up, like, where is Self located, and they're actually located in Austin, Texas. And I put a Self Lender because that was their original name, you guys. Then they changed it to Self, but based off of Crunchbase, they're saying that they are located in Austin, Texas. Everything is done online, so it's not like you're going inside to talk to somebody from Self, but they are located in Austin, Texas. What is Credit Builder phone number? Let me actually get their phone number too, so I can add it here to the screen for you guys. Let me see. The Self Credit Builder phone number is 877-883-0999. You guys can contact them Monday through Friday, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Central Standard Time. So definitely contact them if you guys need to. And if you guys want to see it, I also have it here. This is where I seen it on the bottom of their website. You can see right here their contact information is actually listed right here. Here's their phone number, 877-883-0999. Again, 9 to 5, Monday through Friday. You guys can definitely contact them. And I have contacted them plenty of times because I have heard some people say, this happened to me with Self, that happened. I'm like, oh my gosh, I be referring y'all to Self. Let me call them. And when I call them, they always answer any questions that I have. So you guys can definitely contact them that way. Can you cancel Self Credit Builder? Yes, you guys can always cancel your Self Credit Builder, but you have to understand that there may be fees attached to this, and then I don't know how it's going to work in terms of if they're going to, in terms of their reporting. But I do tell you guys always, if you have any further questions about canceling their account, definitely call them. Their phone number is 877-883-0999. But you definitely can cancel them. Now, let's go ahead and just do a quick search on this. Let's click right here and let's just search how to cancel, because a lot of things it's like an easy Google search away, you guys. So how do I cancel my credit builder account? So you can call them and you can um, cancel it through their automatic system. You have to verify your identity. Um, and then they're going to tell you how it's going to work with your payout too. So after you verify your account, they're going to let you know how your payout is going to go. And if you cancel your accounts will be closed at 11 p.m. 7-day. A payout tracker would appear in your dashboard within 24 hours so that you can check the payment status and know when to expect your money. So yes, you guys can definitely cancel. And this is all the information right here too, if you guys want to know. So you guys can pause it right here and just read all of this if you want to know how to do it, on how to go ahead and cancel your account. Can I pay Self Credit Builder early? Yes, you can definitely pay your Self Credit Builder early, but you can't pay it too much in advance. They want you to pay on it monthly. They don't really want you to, like, say if you got the $48 per month plan, they don't want you to put the $539 down on that account. They want you to pay it off slowly. I know when I had my account, I think I was able to make like 1 or 2 payments early, but that's about it. They want you to pay on it slowly but surely. Now, let's go ahead and get more details. I like to look up these different questions about this of paying it early. Can I pay off my set credit builder account early? If you're wondering, can you pay off your account early? Sure is yes, but you'll miss out on some things if you do. Oh, and that's probably making sure that you guys pay every month. That's the thing. You may get yourself Visa card if you see yourself. Yeah, so the thing is, you can pay it off early, but like they're saying, if you guys pay it off early, you're not going to be able to increase your credit history, which is what you want, and your length of credit history. It counts for 15% of your score. So they're saying if you keep making your payments on time, it may be a good idea to keep your credit builder account open. That said, if you like to close your account, you can close it, but you guys definitely you can pay it early. With me, like I said, I made like a payment or two ahead of time and I was able to get, I believe I got my money still early, but I just suggest that you guys slowly pay on it. I remember when I was telling you guys even about that kickoff account, and I was like, oh yeah, you can just pay off, because at first it was like $10, or I don't know how much it was, $20. I forgot what it was. But I was like, you can just go ahead and pay that all at once. And that's not even the point of it. The point of an account like this is that they can continuously pay, that you guys are continuously pay, and they'll continuously report to the credit bureau. If you guys are paying it early, like, you're not getting a full benefit of this account. But you guys, like they said, you can definitely pay it early. Can I trust Self Credit Builder? I think that you can definitely trust Self Credit Builder. I trusted them. I gave them my information. I paid them and they gave me my money back. I didn't have any problems with Self. So I definitely think that you guys can trust them. Now, a lot of people always ask, can I trust them? And, what's going on with the account? A lot of the information that you guys, all the questions that you guys have, you can ask it. You can search it here, or you can call them and ask them any questions that you guys have. Like I said too, I had Self before. I definitely trust them, but you guys can definitely look up any questions that you guys have. The biggest trust issues, if when it came out to me, is, am I going to get my money back? Are you guys going to take extra money out of my account that you guys shouldn't take out of my account? And I didn't have those problems. I got my money back. They didn't take out extra money that they shouldn't have taken out, and I didn't have anything where my information was like compromised. So I think that you guys can definitely trust Self. Does Self Credit Builder give you money? Yes, you guys will get money back from the Self Credit Builder. When you guys are paying that money, like I was paying $48 into Self, you guys are definitely going to get that money back after the 12 months. Or if you guys choose to pay the $25 or the $35 per month, you guys are going to get that money back after 24 months. So yes, they are definitely going to give you money. You're not just paying that money for nothing. Like, you guys are going to get that money back. Now, let's go ahead and look at the Self plan so you guys can see exactly what I'm talking about, because they are going to give you money. So here are their plans right here: $25 per month, $35 per month, $48 per month, and $150 per month. I would hate for somebody to pay $150 per month, like, for what, without getting that money back. So the amount that you're going to get back is actually listed here. So you guys are going to get back $520 if you guys pay $25 per month for 24 months. You guys are going to get $724 back if you guys pay $35 per month for 24 months. You guys are going to get $48. I mean, you guys are going to pay $48 per month for 12 months. You guys are going to get $539 back. And that's the one I like to do. It's less fees for that one also. I love to do that one. And then if you guys pay $150 per month for 12 months, you guys are going to get $1,663 back. So yes, that Self Credit Builder will give you money. They're going to give you your money back. Yes, they're not going to just take your money, you guys. You guys are going to get the money back that you guys been paying into your account. Is a Self Credit Builder safe? I think that the Self Credit Builder is definitely safe, you guys, especially if you guys have a very low credit score. It's safe that they're going to report to the credit bureaus. You guys are going to get your money back. It's something that I really, really was concerned about before. Like, okay, you're paying the money. Are you going to definitely get your money back? I did the Self Credit Builder, I believe, 2 or 3 times, and I got my money back. So it's definitely safe. Now, a lot of people wonder, like, you know, is my information safe? Yes, your information is safe with Self. And again, too, you're going to get your money back. So depending on what plan you have, you're going to get your money back. And they are reporting to the credit bureaus. And I know they're reporting to the credit bureaus because some people are getting late payments reported because they're not paying their bill on time. So definitely make sure you guys have your auto pay set up, you paying on time. And yes, they're definitely safe. I think that you guys should definitely sign up for Self, especially if your credit score is under 620 and you don't have at least 2 installment accounts on your credit reports. What does a self credit builder do? The self credit bureau The self credit builder, what it actually does is they actually report to all three credit bureaus for you. So depending on what plan you have, you can choose between $25 and $150 per month. They're going to take the money in and they're going to put it into a secure account for you. And every month that you pay, they're going to report to the credit bureaus that you're paying on time. Now, after the 12 months or the 24 months, depending on what plan you choose, they're going to actually give you your money back minus some fees. They let you know what your fees are. I choose the $48 per month plan. My fees is, I believe, is $46 after the 12 months, but they give you your money back. But the biggest thing is they report to the credit bureaus. Now, let's go ahead and look at these plans just in case. Again, every time you guys get these accounts, like when you guys sign up for these accounts, the biggest thing is that they're reporting to the credit bureaus. You wouldn't even really want to get these accounts and pay these fees if they're not going to report to the credit bureaus. The thing is, with these accounts, you want them to report to the credit bureaus. That's all you guys care about mainly. You should care about is, are you guys going to report to the credit bureaus? Is my information safe with you? And then also, am I going to get my money back? Now, like I told you guys, I signed up for this account multiple times. I have gotten my money back. So I definitely like Self. And I have the $48 per month plan. I did get my money back. So I definitely tell you guys to get them. And they're going to report to the credit bureaus. Now, they report to the credit bureaus good and bad information. So keep that in mind. Make sure you guys are paying on time with these accounts, because if you guys don't, then they're going to report you late. And then you're going to hate this account. You're going to not want this at all. So make sure you guys are paying on time. I'm guessing, I don't know if these questions are kind of similar. What does a self credit builder do and how does it work? I think that this is the next one, y'all. If I go and answer this question again, don't get mad at me, y'all. Don't get mad at me because I don't know. It's a lot of questions. It's a lot of questions, but we're going to get through them. How does the self credit builder work? Okay, let's go ahead and answer this question. So the self credit builder works like this. You guys choose a plan between $25 and $150. They got $25, $35, $48, and $150. You guys pay on these plans for 12 months or 24 months. The two higher plans, the $48 and $150, you do that for 12 months, and the $25 and the $35, you're going to pay on that for 24 months. So you guys are going to pay on it, and then they're going to report to the credit bureaus. As they report to the credit bureaus, your credit score should go up. As you pay into this account, they should be saving this money into a separate account for you guys. And after that 12 and 24 months, they give you your money back. But the biggest thing is they report to the credit bureau. So that's how they work. Now, again, that was like a fast version of it. But like I said, too, you choose which plan you want. I love the $48 a month plan. Pay on that for 48. I pay the $48 per month for 12 months. They report to the credit bureaus every month that I'm paying. Remember, them on-time payments to the credit bureaus is the reason why credit scores is going up, period. So you pay on it and credit score go up, and after the 12 months you're going to get your money back, and this is how much you're going to get back: $539. Now, you're not getting back exactly what you paid into it because you guys have interest that you guys are going to pay, and then to the annual APR too. So you guys have an interest rate, so they are charging you small interest, but all you should be caring about is that they're reporting to the credit bureau. So that is how they work. How does the self credit builder payout work? So after you guys pay out your account fully, if that's 12 months or 24 months, after you guys pay it off fully, then what they want to do is they're going to put that money direct deposit into your account. I suggest you guys have all that stuff set up right away. Like soon as you sign up for the account, try to have all your information set up in the system correctly, because if you don't, then they're going to send you a paper check. So they're going to do a payout of direct deposit, or they're going to give you a paper check. The direct deposit is going to happen faster than a paper check. I would say it could take few days or maybe a week for a direct deposit. When it comes down to the paper check, it could take up to 3 weeks. Now let's go ahead and look fully. Because I have it right here. So when I get my payoff for the credit builder account, you normally get your payout at the end of the credit builder account. If you pay the account off early and want your money back before the original end date, you'll need to make an extra check to close your account to get your payout sooner. If you choose to get your payout by check, it could take up to 3 weeks to get your money back, but direct deposit may take less time. It is going to take less time. It's not on me, y'all. It will, because mine came back fast. If you haven't completed or closed your account yet, switch to direct deposit to get your money sooner. So that's how that payoff is going to work. Just the payout is going to work. Just make sure you guys are paying out your account fully, and then you guys should be getting your money back. Oh, so this, let me see if I have this next one. How does a self credit builder app work? The self credit builder app works where you guys can have all of your information there in terms of your credit builder account, and then you can actually pay your bills. So they can start reporting your bills, payments, and your rent payments right through the self app. But that's how it works. You can go right in there, set up all of that through the app. You can download it. They have it with Google. They have it with the Google Store, the Google Play Store, and also the Apple App Store. So you guys can go ahead and sign up for it there. Now, I do have it here, you guys, just in case you guys want to see more about it. So they're going to report to the credit bureaus. Like you could pay your rent. So I like that, rent in your bill. So that's good. And you can unlock your secure credit card there. You could track your credit score. It's not going to be a hard pull. So this can all be done through the app. I didn't do the app. I just got like right on their website and just used like just their, like I just did their regular website. I didn't do the app, but you definitely can go ahead and download the app. It looks like it's already 1 million plus downloads. So definitely check out the self out the self app. I can't even talk, you guys. I think I'm talking too much. Oh my gosh, you can definitely check out the self app though, you guys. But that's how it actually works. What is a self credit builder reviews? So my review on the self credit builder is that my credit score went up a total of 168 points since being with self. Now let me tell you guys, I did use a little bit too much on my credit card, so I'm going to come back and tell you guys another review because my credit score did drop some because of that. So I'm pretty sure my credit score even went up even more than $168. But that is my review, because utilization is important, and I wanted to just show this. I wanted to have screenshots of this process, so I used too much just so they can report to the credit bureaus. But 168 points, you guys, and I always tell a lot of people to sign up for self because I've seen that a lot of people credit scores went up a lot. Now, your credit score can go down with self if you guys do not pay on time, because they will report you late. But I love self. Just make sure you guys are reporting on time, and you guys should see a great increase in your credit score. Now, they have more reviews on their website, so let's go ahead. Actually, not even on their website. They have some right here on the app. So 4.7 stars out of 5. So you can see right here they have a lot of reviews that you guys can check out. Some people talking about that they was charged a late fee. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that they are getting charged late fees. If you guys do not set this up correctly, like I said, too, it can hurt you more than it can help you. But definitely just make sure that you guys are doing what you need to do. And in terms of paying on time, making sure you got the right account set up so that they can pull the money out of your account, and you guys should be good. Let's see if we can look at some of these reviews here. So the again, 4.7 stars. 85% of people gave them 5 stars. 7% gave them 4 stars. 3.1% gave them 3 stars. 1.9% gave them 2 stars, and then 2.4% gave them 1 stars. I give them a 5 star. I really like Self. My thing, like I tell you guys, if you guys are not paying on time, they are going to report you late, and that's like the downside. So just make sure you guys are paying on time so that they don't have to report you late, and then you guys will be good. But I really do like Self, and I can't wait. I'm going to go back into that Self app to see how much they say my credit score went up after my credit card is going to report. My credit card is going to report next week. I just want to do that because I keep telling you guys, like, utilization is huge. If you guys use too much money on your credit cards, your credit scores is going to drop. But you can boost it right back up by paying it off. So it's nothing, major. But I just want to put that out there just so I can show you guys. And I can't wait to have those screenshots just to say before and after, before and after. So you can see, okay, Rickita, your credit scores went down 65 points. Yes, 65 points. But listen, the next month, it goes back up. Just pay it off. It'll go back up. It's as simple as that. Because some people like, Rickita, you told me all I have to do is pay down my credit cards. I think it's more than that. I think I need this. I need that. And you don't need more than that. Seriously, you guys, just pay down your credit cards. Seriously, pay down these credit cards. You guys are going to see a very quick boost to your credit score as soon as they report to the credit bureaus. Let me see. Let me see, what bank do they use? A lead bank. Yeah, I seen that. What bank does Self Credit Builder use? Self Credit Builder will use Lead Bank and Sunrise Bank. So those are the two banks that they use, and they also have the South State Bank that they're also using. So those are the three banks that they are using. Now let me show you guys where I'm getting this information from. So I can see it right here. All Credit Builder accounts made by Lead Bank, Sunrise Bank, and also South State Bank. So that is the banks that they are actually using. Okay, you guys, we still got quite a question still. We got quite a few questions, but let's get these questions done. Self Credit Builder explain. So the Self Credit Builder account is very simple. What you want to do is you want to pick a plan. You got a plan between $25 and $150. I like to do that $48 per month plan because it got the cheapest fees, and then two, they're going to report to the credit bureaus for a year. So do the $48 per month plan. I pay $48 per month. As I pay per month, they're going to report to the credit bureaus. As they report to the credit bureaus that I'm paying on time, my credit score is going to go up. As my credit score go up, I should be able to get approved for more credit cards. After the 12 months, they're going to give me all of my money back minus a $46 total fees because they charge you interest. And that's it. They're going to report to the credit bureaus. I pay $48 per month. They report to the credit bureaus. After the 12 months, they're going to stop reporting and they're going to give my money back. It's as simple as that. But my credit score should have went up. Now, again, there's different plans other than just that $48 per month plan. That's just the one I love. Like, I just love that one. You guys can do $25 per month for 24 months. I tell people, if you have a late payment within the last year, you better not think about doing any other plans. Like, don't even think about it. Do a plan that's probably the 12 months. Pick one, and don't do the 150. Do the $48 because I've seen people with late payments for $5 and $10. Like, just do like the $48 per month plan. Simple. They're going to report to the credit bureaus. You pay on it for 12 months, and then you're going to get this amount back after you pay the $48. You do the $35 a month plan, you're doing that for 24 months, you're going to get $724 back. If you pay $150 per month for 12 months, they're going to report to the credit bureau every month. Your credit score should go up. And after your 12 months, they're going to give you back $1,663. That's as simple as that. That's how the credit builder works. So that's my explanation of it. You guys are going to get your money back after you pay on it. You're going to get it back direct deposit, or you guys can get a check. I just suggest you guys get it back via direct deposit, because if you guys choose a check, or if you guys were to get sent a check, then it can get lost. It can get lost. Not only can it get lost, but it's going to take up to 3 weeks to get that check. So definitely set up direct deposit. When does the self credit builder report? The self credit builder reports after a month. So I see a lot of people, when they sign up for that self account, it usually reports to the credit bureaus after the month, and they report to all 3 credit bureaus too, which is something I really like. Some of these accounts, they're gonna report to 2 credit bureaus, but they actually report to all 3 credit bureaus. So they usually report after a month. Now let's go ahead and see if they have a different explanation here in terms of when are they going to report, just in case they say something different, because a self have an explanation for everything. When do you report? When do you report to the credit bureau? We report once a month to the 3 credit bureaus. Are they sent to the credit bureaus the first week of each month? Okay, that's good. So it's very, very similar to that kickoff account. That account report the first week of each month too. So that is really, really good. If you open an account with a credit bureau account in mid-January, report the account opening to the credit bureaus that first week of February. Okay, that's good. If you don't make your first monthly payment, not just the administrative fee, until February, that payment won't be reported to the bureaus until the first week of March. So, for an example, if you guys were to sign up January 15th, you create the account, you pay your $9 administrative fee. That first week of February, that's when they're going to report to the credit bureaus. The credit bureaus are going to update your report around the 10th to the 15th. Please note, in some cases, it may take the credit bureaus a few weeks or more to update your report. February 14th, you make your first monthly payment to self. Then the first week of March, they're going to report it to the credit bureaus. And around the 10th to the 15th, you guys will be able to see it on your credit report. So that's what they're saying about that reporting. So it's going to take a month. So think of the beginning of the next month. But then again, it's your first payment, not your administrative payment. So you got that $9 payment, not that $9 payment, your actual payment. So if you do $48 per month, then that's the payment that they are referring to. Okay, that is really good. Okay. Okay, so let me look this up. Mm, Okay, let's look at the company profile. Oh, wait, not yet. Let me not move out of here. That's not it. I'm trying to look up their address, you guys, to try to see if I can get it. I don't think that they have it here, you guys. Somebody asked what's their address, and I want to find it. That's one thing I'm good at. Like, I will find it. Like, where is it at? I can look up anything, you guys. Oh, I know how to find it now. Oh, I know where it's at. I know where it's at. I almost got it, y'all. Oh, there we go, right there. Okay, let's go to our next one. So, what is the self credit builder address? So, the address to the self credit builder is 901 East 6th Street, Suite 400, Austin, Texas 78702 3206. So, that is the address to the self credit builder, but that may be their main corporate address. Now, for those people that like to have a visual view of that, here it is here. So this is their address. I found it on the Better Business Bureau. You can always find a lot of stuff here. So their address is actually right here, Suite 400. So you guys can send them something. I think I might send them something because I wanted to be in one of their commercials, you guys. Y'all have to help me get in one of their commercials. I'm always talking about self, kick off, all these different accounts. Like, put me in a commercial, please. And thank you. Oh, this is another one. Somebody is definitely in self business. They're not playing with them. Let me see. I'm not going to get it for them. So, who owns it? That's the next question. Who owns Self Credit Builder? Total funding amount 127 billion. Oh my gosh. Wow. Maybe I should just do a regular. Let me do a regular just search. That is a lot of money. That's the funding that they got. 127 million. They put money into self and it helped a lot of people. That is really good. Okay, so who owns Self Credit Builder? So the person that owns Self Credit Bureau is James Garvey, and he actually founded it in 2015. Now, for the people that want to see him, here he is here. So after making a mistake with automatic payments on his credit card, by the time he caught it, his credit score is tanked. In searching for a way to build credit, he saw some of the challenge faced by more than 100 million Americans with low or no credit. Wow, thank you, James. Wow, more than 2 million builders served. Wow, that is amazing. Okay, perfect. That is really good. But there he is here, you guys. He is the one that founded it, you guys. Okay. We did a lot of we've been all in the business. Yeah, let's get back on track. We got a few more questions here. Now, if you guys have any additional questions for me and you guys are watching this, go ahead and drop those questions down below, because how I'm going through these questions just about self, I go through all the questions that I get on my YouTube channel. So I line them all up and I go ahead and answer them all for you guys. So if you have a question, go ahead and drop the question, because I'm most likely going to see it, and I'm going to make you a video, and hopefully that video is going to answer any questions that you guys have. Self credit builder alternatives. So one alternative to the self credit builder account is a kickoff account. So I tell people a lot about the kickoff account. That self credit builder account, basically you're paying on it every month. It's an installment account, and then they give you your money back. That kickoff account, you pay $10 per month for 12 months. It's $120 total. They give you your money back the same way that self is going to give you your money back. Only difference is they don't charge you any fees at all. So you pay $120 to them, they're going to give you $120 back. Another alternative is the Credit Strong account. I don't really talk too much about the Credit Strong account because I don't know. I just really like that kickoff, and I really like self, but kickoff is an alternative to them. Now, let me show you guys that kickoff account just in case you guys, you know, you want to be able to see that account. So here's my account actually here. I didn't know I was already logged in and got all my business up, y'all, but here is my account right here. So my credit account, I'm almost done. Well, no, my credit account is, this is that account. This like mine is a $500 account, but the loan account that you're thinking about, I have $20 remaining. Let's actually look at the loan account. This the one that's just like that self account. So payment is due in 19 days. So this is what it is. My total loan is $120. I opened it, I actually recorded it and opened it with you guys the beginning of this year. So it's almost a year now, you guys. I've been paying on it every month. As you can see here, I've been paying on it every month, paying $10 per month. So they're going to give me back my $120. They're not going to charge me any fees. So I just got two more payments. I got one in 19 days. It's going to be taken out on the 28th. And then I got my next one on the 28th the next month. So my completion day is going to be 1/29/2023. So that is my anniversary. But that kickoff account is a very great account that you guys should definitely look into signing up for, because they're going to report that account to all three credit bureaus, and it should boost your credit score up, especially if you have a very, very low credit score. So definitely think about that account. The self-report to credit bureaus. Yes, self is going to report to all three credit bureaus. So they are going to report the first week of the following month. So say if you guys make your monthly payment, not just your $9 sign up payment, when you guys make your monthly payment, they're going to report your payment to the credit bureaus the next month. And then you should see that payment from the 10th to the 15th. You should see that it's updated to the credit bureaus on that date. And that's around that time you should see your credit scores go up, and be happy to, you guys. Even if your credit score is going up 5 points per month, 6.7 points per month, be happy, because it's going to gradually increase as a report to the credit bureaus. Now, we already went over the reporting on this account. This is not that account, you guys. This account is not it. Let me see. I want to show you guys the self account, because they talk about the reporting right here on their website. We went over this previously, but I want to go over it with you guys again if I can find out. I usually go ahead and click on contact at the bottom, and then that's how I can search things on their website. So when would it reveal my credit report? So typically you will see it on your credit report 60 days from your first due date. I always tell people to just keep checking because you may see it sooner. How would the credit bureau show up on my credit report? It's a secure installment loan. But yeah, let's put credit reporting in there. So they're going to report your first payment. And like I said, so they're going to report that first week. They're going to report to the first week of the month. So you guys should see it around the 10th and the 15th. You guys should see it onto your credit report. Does Self give you a card? The self credit builder will only give you a card if you sign up for their secure credit card. So as you guys paying into your self builder account, when you guys get $100 in your account, you make 3 consecutive on time payments and your account is positive, you don't have anything wrong with the account, then you guys can sign up for their secure credit card. And then they, at that point, they can give you their secure credit card. But only then are you guys are going to get a card. You guys are just not going to get a card for having that credit builder account. You guys have to sign up for their secure credit card, then you guys will actually get a card. Now let me show you guys that self secure credit card so you guys can see like what you have to do to be able to get that credit card, because they not just give you a card. Here's that card right here. Let me go back because they going to not get started, learn more. So this is how it works. You guys have to make 3 monthly payments on time. You got to have at least $100 or more in your saving progress. So remember, I like the $48 per month. So after 3 months, I should definitely have $100, and then your account should be in good standing. And then you can go ahead and choose how much you want to put into your secure credit card. Then once you choose that amount, then they'll set your limit, and then they're going to actually send you your card. You're going to get your card and activate it, and then they're going to start reporting to the credit bureau about this secure credit card. I like this credit card, even though it's secure. I see people rent cars with this card, so I definitely like their secure credit card. But they're only going to give you that secure credit card if you actually sign up for the secure credit card. They're not just going to send you the secure credit card. You have to sign up for it. Does self credit builder do a hard inquiry? No, the self credit builder is not going to do a hard inquiry at all. They're probably going to do a soft pull just to verify your identity, but you should not get a hard inquiry at all for the self secure, the self credit builder account, or even a secure credit card. It's no hard inquiry to get that account, that credit card either. Now, I know a lot of people, they always think that they're going to get a hard inquiry, but you're not going to get a hard inquiry at all for their secure credit card. That's something I really, really like. You're not going to get a hard inquiry when you guys sign up for their secure credit card. And then also, when you guys sign up for their account, again, right here, no hard pull. There is no hard pull in your credit when you apply for their credit builder account. You guys are not going to get a hard pull. Like, that's something I really, really love, that you guys are not going to get a hard pull. Self credit builder for a business. The self credit builder is not necessarily for like business credit. I know some people want to use it for business credit, but you guys cannot use it for business credit. You guys can build up your personal credit, and then you guys can personally guarantee, business credit, but you guys can't get like a business account for the self account. Now, if you guys really want to try, I don't talk about I don't talk about business credit that much. I just feel like I've been out of touch with it to really talk about it. But if you guys want to start building up some business credit, you want to account that's kind of similar to this, then I suggest that you guys look into Credit Strong, because Credit Strong, they actually have some accounts for like business. So they have a personal side right here, and then they have a business side. So you guys can look into this account. Now, again, it's just like the business credit side, which is why I'm telling you guys about it. They have different plans that you guys can sign up for. So definitely look into Credit Strong because it's very similar to the Self, and they're going to report um, basically what you want. They're going to report so that you can start building up Self Credit Builder login. So you can log into your Self account through the app, or you can log on right through the web. I like to log in through the web. I used to always log in through the web. I know they have the app, but I don't know. I just like, maybe it's because I'm old school with it, but you guys can definitely get that app. Now, if you guys want to have a visualization of this, if you guys want to see, this is where you actually log into that Self account. So go to self.inc, and then go ahead and put your email address in, put your password in. And if you guys forgot your password, you can click right here where it says forgot your password. If you guys are looking to sign up, guys can go ahead and click create an account. And then that's really it. Just go ahead and log into your account. But that's how you guys will log into your Self account. How to cancel the Self Credit Builder card. So to cancel your Self Credit Builder account, you can call them. You can cancel with a representative right through the phone. And when you guys cancel it, your account will be canceled at 11 p.m. that night. If you guys call, you can also use their automated system. You can cancel it that way and set up your payment options in terms of how they're going to pay you back what you have paid so far into that account. So those are basically your two options. And I believe you can cancel right through your account too. You can log in and cancel that way. So you got three options on canceling your account. Now, I know I'm telling you guys, but let me show you guys like how can you cancel. So let's go back to the Self. Let's go down to the bottom. Let's click on contact, and then let's search cancel so that you guys can see the different ways that you guys can cancel your account. How do I cancel my account? So you can log into your account to cancel or call their automated system, or you can make sure you call them and choose option one. Please note, if you call from a number that is not on file with Self, you will need to verify your identity prior to receiving the option to cancel your account. And that's very, very important to you guys because they just need to verify you because you got to figure out, they're going to figure out how they're going to get your money back. You will then be prompted to verify your account information. Once the system locates your account, choose option 4 to cancel your account. Simply follow the prompts to hear information regarding reporting and payout information. When you guys cancel your account, don't forget that's an account that's going to stop reporting. Your credit score is going to drop. So don't just say, "Oh, I'm going to cancel my account, I'm going to get my money back." No, you guys, they're going to stop reporting, and it's most likely going to drop your credit score. So if you want them to cancel your account, make sure you apply for whatever you want to apply for beforehand. Again, your account will close at 1 p.m. on the same day. A payout tracker will appear in your dashboard within 24 hours so that you can check your payment status and know when to expect your payment, and see how the payment tracker works here if you're interested. And then this is how to close your Self Visa credit card. So if you guys want to close that secure credit card, then you guys can come here to check how you guys can close it. Self Credit Builder pros and cons. I think the pros of having the Self Builder account is that they're going to report to the credit bureaus. You guys are going to start building your credit. If you guys don't have credit at all, they're not going to do a hard inquiry at all. So you're not going to get that hard inquiry. So your credit score is not going to drop. So those are the pros. And then another pro too is if while you're paying into your Self Credit Builder account, you guys have the option to get their secure credit card. The cons is if you guys are late, they're not trying to remove that late payment. That's the con. If your credit score is over a 620, it may not boost your credit score at all, or it may drop your credit score. So that's another con. And the last con is that their secure credit card is not going to graduate to like a regular credit card. So those are the pros and cons of the Self Credit Builder account. Now, again, it's so many pros and cons that you guys can think about. But my biggest thing is if your credit score is if your credit score is under a 620, you're not going to get a hard check. They're going to report to the credit bureaus. They're going to give you access to your credit score so you can start checking your progress. Again, all three credit bureaus, and then you can cancel anytime. So you can cancel at any time and get your money back minus interest and fees. So, but remember, when you cancel your account, your credit score can possibly drop because they're going to no longer be reporting to the credit bureau. So that's something that you guys um, can think about. And then I like that they have their secure credit card that you're not going to get a credit check for. So you're not going to get a credit check, a hard inquiry for that. They're going to roll over the money that you're already paying into your account. They can roll that money right over into your secure credit card, so you don't have to put like additional deposit down, like $100, or not $100, because that's rare with a secure credit card. $200 or up, $200, $500, $1,000, $2,000. You don't have to put that money into your secured account. So that's something you can think about. And their secure credit card, some of the cons is it's a $25 annual fee for their secure credit card. It's still not bad knowing that you guys are able to get that secure credit card without a credit check, even if your credit score is really bad. And I think that's it. I think that's it. I think that's really the pros and cons for it. Self credit builder options. So there is 4 options when it come down to the self credit builder. You guys can pay $25 per month, $35 per month, $48 per month, or $150 per month. The biggest difference when it come down to these accounts, yes, the payment, but if you guys choose the $25 or the $35 per month, you guys are going to pay on that for 24 months. So you guys are going to have more reporting for those two payments. If you guys choose a $48 per month or $150 per month, you guys are going to pay on it for 12 months. But that is the options when it comes down to the credit builder account. Now, let's go ahead and check out those different options here. So again, these are the options. You got 4 different options: $25, $35, $48, and $150 per month. Now, you guys are going to pay that $25 per month. You guys are going to pay that for 24 months. And then the $35 per month, you're going to pay on that for 24 months again. $48 and $150, you pay on that for 12 months. Now, the fees, you guys are paying a $9 fee on all of these accounts. The amount that you're going to get back is different, and the final cost that you're paying total is also different. I like to pick the $48 per month for 12 months. I just know that this one, they're going to report to the credit bureaus. If I'm having any type of financial problems, it couldn't last too long, or I couldn't get stuck with something, because I'm not paying $150, which is 3 times the amount of the $48 plus more than 3 times the amount. And then I don't have to pay on it for 24 months and then have a problem within that 24 months and have to cancel it, or have it to the point where I have to close that account. So I like to just pick this $48 per month. And then two, it's less fees. The final cost and fees total is going to be $46. I like that. But those are different payment options. Let me look up this next one before I start running my mouth, because I really talk about this account, because I feel like this account discriminates a little bit with certain people, and it's not for everybody, if you ask me. So let me look it up just in case. Yeah, I'm gonna start running my mouth, y'all, because I don't know, y'all. I don't know, the self credit builder versus the chime. I personally like the self, they don't do a credit check and they don't discriminate. The chime account, they discriminate. If you guys probably have something with check systems, they're going to discriminate and not give you that chime account. I have not seen self do anything like that. On top of that, that chime account, that one you have to like move money into it. When I see how they report to the credit bureaus, it's kind of awkward and funky, so I don't like that. When it come down to the self account, you got to secure a credit card and they report to the credit bill brewers. I can't even say their name. Oh my gosh, you guys. But I don't see a problem with it. So I like that self account more than the time account. But each his own. Tell me what your experience is. Now, let me show you because I was looking up. I was like, let me see if there's something new on the Chime account that I didn't see before. Like, let's see if it's something new here. But yeah, you guys, I didn't see people get denied for this account, you guys. They're saying that they're going to report to the credit bureaus, but they, I don't know. It's just, they don't, it's not as good to me as that self account. That self account is just straightforward. Period. And I guess we can't even compare like this installment account, their credit builder account. We have to compare their secure credit card. Their secure credit card is you get the Visa credit card. You got to put a deposit down on it, but you get the secure credit card and you pay on it, and then you be good. But I like that self account. If you want to compare the two, I like the self more than I like the Chime because I've seen people get denied for it. Self credit builder email address. I have their email address. I had their email address. Um, I think it's help at self. Let's see. Don't quote me yet. Don't quote me yet. I gotta see. I just want to make sure I'm giving you guys always the correct information. Yeah, there you go, right there. So the email address to self is help@self.inc. So that is the email address, self@help.inc. Now I seen this information on Crunchbase, so you guys can definitely see the email address is here, and then they have additional phone number here. This is different than the phone number I believe I seen on their website, but this is the email address that I did see. Let's go ahead and search it in self just to confirm it because we can get this information anywhere. We just want to make sure. And let's see if I actually can see it in here at all. Let me search it. Nope, can't see it. Yeah, to schedule an appointment, email help, yep, and in-person payment request in the subject line. So yeah, you guys could email them. That is their email address. So there it is there, you guys. That is definitely their email address. The self grace period. I think that you guys have the regular grace period. Let me see. Oh, excuse me. People in my house all got the flu, you guys. So I'm just not getting over it. Excuse me. I don't even mean like the regular grace period, but I'll talk about it. So there's two grace periods that I think about when it come down to self. So one of the grace periods that I'm thinking about is that if you guys just pay your full statement balance by your due date, then you guys will not be charged interest. So I'm thinking about the grace period that way, in terms of your payment. And then also for late payments, when are they going to report you late? They cannot report you late until you're actually 30 days late. Now, I found information when I put the grace period into self. This is what I came up with. So the self credit card grace period refers to the time period when no interest is charged on your self Visa credit card balance. And this is what all credit cards, you guys, definitely look into the grace period when it comes down to all these credit cards. If you pay the full statement balance as showed on your billing statement by the payment due date, we won't charge interest on new purchases for that billing cycle. This self grace period holds true as long as you paid the statement balance from previous months in full. Your previous balance was $0, or if you had a statement credit. So if you only make the minimum payment or do not pay off your full statement balance by the due date, we'll charge interest on your credit card balance. So that's the information on their grace period. The self interest rates. They had the interest rates right on their website. So I've seen that already. Let me go ahead and look that up so I can have it available for you guys. So the interest rate on the self credit builder account is, we have 14% and 12%. That is on their credit builder account. Now let me show you guys the interest rates. We have 14% here. This is for the $25 per month. We got 14.14% here, 14.70%, and then also 12.44%, and then last but not least right here, 14.87%. So these is the interest rates on the self credit builder accounts. So that is their interest rates there. Two more questions, you guys. My eyelashes coming out, you guys. They're like, that sneeze just took me out almost. Okay, so let's see. How many self credit builder accounts can I have? You guys are only allowed to have one self credit builder account at a time. But when you guys pay off that account, you can always sign back up for another. I did it before. You just close that account out technically by just paying it off. They send your money back and you can sign right up for another one. And then you know that $9 fee that you guys have to pay to sign up for it? You guys actually get a discount when you sign up again. Now, let's go ahead and search this question here just so that you guys can see. Let's see if they have a different response, just in case, because I don't own the company. How many accounts can I have? It don't look like they have anything else, but they do have this. Can I reopen my self account? That's kind of ain't got nothing to do with us. So yeah, you can always apply for a new one with a few exceptions, but there's also a limit to how many new accounts you can open with a certain time period. Oh, since opening new accounts and paying them off quickly shortens the average age accounts. Oh, so they do have a time period. So you only can have one account at a time, but then they even have a time period um, on how many new accounts you can open within a certain time period. Wow. How much does the self credit builder account cost? The self credit builder account costs $25, $35, $48, or you guys can pay $150 per month. But you also have to count the cost of your fees that you guys are going to pay. And my favorite account is $48 per month. So my fees on that account is going to be a total of $46 period. So at the end of my account, after I pay my $48 per month for 12 months, my total fees is going to be $46. So to me, that is my cost. But let me see, let's look at the cost of these other accounts too, because yeah, it's 4 total accounts. So the cost again is $25 per month, $35 per month, 48 or $150 per month. The final cost, if you guys pay $25 per month, it's going to be $89. $35 per month, $125 per month. 48 per month, it's going to be $46 per 40 not let me not say $46 per month. I'm messing up by saying that. Your final cost is going to be $125 for $35 per month, $48 per month, $46, and then $150 per month. Your total cost is going to be $146. Now that is all of the questions that I have for the self account. It was a lot of questions, you guys, and I hope that you guys learned a lot about the self account. Just simply think about it like this: if your credit score is under a 620, if your credit score is under a 620, if it's higher, you may not want to get it. But if your credit score is under a 620, then go ahead and sign up for it if you do not have enough installment accounts on your credit report, or if you need to get their secure credit card. They're going to report to the credit bureaus. They're going to report to all 3 credit bureaus, which on top of that, just make sure you guys pay on your account on time, and make sure you guys don't have any late payments. Like, just make sure you have an account attached that they can just take that money out every month, and make sure you set it up so that they'll know where to send your direct deposit, so you don't have to worry about getting a paper check. Let them direct deposit right back into your account. If you guys are very, 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 very disciplined, I mean, you don't have late payments, that's not even your problem. You can set up the auto payment. You know you're going to keep a stable income, a stable job. You're not have to worry about making payments on this. You know you don't change out your account often either. Then sign up for the $25 or even the $35 per month, because they're going to report for 24 months. That's going to give you a lot of history. If you guys are still rocky, you want to just test the waters out, that's kind of where I'm always is at, then you guys always do the 12 months, because I just, I have to be changing my mind. Like, I don't even want the account anymore. So I always like to just test it out. And the $48 per month for 12 months is, to me, is a great value, because you're paying less in fees. You're paying $46 total in fees. If you guys are having a hard time getting approved for credit cards, then definitely make sure you guys join me for the 60 points in 60 days. I'm going to teach you guys how to increase your credit score 60 points in 60 days. And one of my tricks is doing like the self and the kickoff account, you guys. But I'll teach you guys how to do this. So definitely join it. It's free for you guys to watch. And if you guys want me to hold your hand through this process, you want to do a meet Gruda, you want me to look at your credit reports at least 4 times through this process within the 60 days, you want to look at your credit reports 4 times, then make sure you guys join my membership. I have that link down below. I have the link for the self and the kickoff, all those different links too. But sign up for my membership so that I can go ahead and sign you up for my next group meeting. And when I sign you up for our next group meeting, then I can go ahead and look at your credit reports, and I can hold your hand through this full process. But I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching the full video. If you ever have any questions, go ahead and drop them down in the comments, or go ahead and give us a call. My phone number is 833 Rickita. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.